under their gears.
Alright, we got this old Federal display case, short cycling. This one takes 4 pounds, 4¼ pounds of 404A. I'd be thinking it's low on charge. Hear it? Got a cover off. There's the TXV. Goes up. The coil is up in the back here. Pretty primitive. It's a single pass TXV, no external equalizer, no thermostat. It runs off the pressure control because of your cut in and your cut out. That is your temperature control is the pressure switch, so it's probably low on charge. Let me get gauged up on it. TXV's feeding, you can hear it. It's got no gas to feed. Let's help to see where the leak is. Pressure switch is pretty much dead nuts. I got it unplugged. Let's see what our static is 96. That's plenty for a leak check. I'll take this panel off right here and I think we can expose the coil. All right, with that down, we can get exposure to most of the coil, all the return bands. I need to get the H10. And what's interesting is, there's no sight glass on this thing from the factory. It's just really, really bare basics. Let the H10 warm up the heater inside here. And I brought the extension cord in case I need to recharge it. Let's go hunting.
Back to the H10. Back to the H10. I've tried those other detectors, they always let me down. Feel like I wasted my money, making me wanna frown. H.V.A.C, yellow jacket, I've tried the rest, they always let me down. You know what I get? Back to the H10, never lets me down.
Alright, I leak checked the crap out of this thing. Even on low detection, I wasn't picking up a thing. And it's not super low, it's got 104. Because as it sat here, the pressure came up. It's low enough to short cycle, but I'm not picking up a detection, so. So we're up here in Bonnie doing a little bit of snow. We had to build a snowman, right, Ryan? There's our snowman.